more time at Cabana Del Rio's, just right outside of La Fortuna. Also, it looks like you can walk from the Cabana Del Rio's down to the free hot springs that has the rope swing. We saw people down there, so that's convenient. You don't have to worry about parking there. But if you do come to the hotel, looky, you got your own parking area right here. You have a pool. They also do a free frog walk every night. Looks like they have a little garden. You see out here, right here, behind me, that you can walk through. But I think it's cool you can do the free frog walk every night. So we're gonna come in and check it out. So
Daddy.
Let's see.
Look.
Yes, sir. Oh man, yeah. And you got ants down here marching, carrying their leaves. What do you think about that, buddy? That's cool. That's really neat. Yeah, I wouldn't touch them. We don't know if they're red ants. Yeah, stay away from the red ants. Cool. All right, let's do the room tour, then we'll come back and look at them. So you have a little sitting area here, little privacy vine. And here we are, room tour. So in the front area, you have 2 little couches. You got the free Wi-Fi, 2 lovely ladies in here. You have a kitchenette as well inside. 3 lovely ladies now. You got your, what is that, kitchenware. You got your gas stove, microwave, waffle maker. You got your little mini fridge in here. You even have an Osta. It's an Osta. Slowster. And then you got Ryder at the bar and grill. So it's kind of an open concept. You see room number 1, or open area number 1. You have a safe. You have an Ellie. You have an El Baño here. Looks nice. Very clean. Hey, there you are. Come on in. Come on in, guys. And then here's your other room. Little open closet.
And your Ellie.
And your Ellie. There's an Ellie and the mommy. She's not feeling good after dinner. And a righty and Charlie. And then here we are in the last room, the master suite, for a little privacy, where Ryder's gonna sleep in the master suite with Master Ryder. So it seems pretty good. He's the master. So for 2 nights, it was $207. So do the math, $103.50 a night, and free frog tour, pool, carport, walk down to the free hot springs. So it seems like a good deal. I think we're gonna like it.
We might do it.
Yep, we might do it. It looks like it's gonna thunderstorm. It's afternoon time here in La Fortuna, Costa Rica, and it likes to rain, but seems like a great place. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see more room tours and more adventures. We'll leave the description to this place in the link so you can come here and check it out and do your own frog walk. So if we're lucky, I hope they'll have some Peace Frog memorabilia if we're lucky. So we'll see what happens. Collect on, frog heads. So till we meet again. Bye. So welcome to bonus Ryder video of the tour of the pool and looks like the garden. So Ryder, come to the right. Take us, don't kick the rock. So this is Jardín Songs and Feathers photo shoot. Looks like you got a kids play area, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Come here, let's go. Tell us what you see.
We see these.
Are they real? They are real. Cool. All right, let's keep going. Let's do it quick.
Fake.
They do look fake, but they are real. Beautiful. Look at all this, man. What a great garden. Cool, big guy. All right, let's roll through the garden. Walk. Through the garden. Then let's go see the pool. Cool, look at the pool, buddy. How's it feel? Is it cold? Is it freezing or warm?
Pretty warm.
You gonna get in?
Kinda cold.
You get in there? Yeah. Oh, no, it feels pretty good. Well, you don't have to get in right now. Yeah, don't get in right now. We'll get a bathing suit. I like your style. I meant, will you get in the future? I like it. Cool. Ooh, there's the volcano.
I think the birds from the ones are like poisonous.
It might be. Cool. Good eyes, buddy. Ryder spotted a frog. So we found in the back on the nature trail, it actually backs right up to the river. So Ryder and I went exploring. We saw 2 little frogs. This is awesome. All right, Ryder, do you think the water's gonna be hot or cold?
Hot. I'm cold.
You think it'll be cold? I think it's gonna be cold too.
Is this a hot spring?
I don't know. If it's warm, it's a hot spring. If not, I guess it's a river. We'll find out.
Yeah.
Oh look, another frog. Another little frog.
I think we can touch that.
Yeah, let's not until we go on the frog tour.
Yeah.
We'll keep it safe. All right, moment of truth.
Cold.
Cold?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Bummer. I was hoping it was gonna be hot.
It's cold.
Yep, it's cold. Nice and refreshing. Beautiful though, right?
Hey, when are we gonna do the rafting?
I don't know, bud. Well, good job. All right, let's go find Mommy.
I saw a monkey.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right. Ryder thinks he saw a monkey.
Yeah, it's like.
Oh, that's a bird. There goes bird. Whoa, I'm falling over.
I think where's that tree?
Oh, over there. Maybe that's over there. I see what you're saying. Right over there? What is that? There's something big in that tree over there. So you think you saw a monkey?
Yeah, it was over here.
Over here?
Yeah, and
There might be a monkey.
and I saw some ropes like swinging. I think it was like up there, I think.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was like swinging. The ropes was
you probably did see one. I see the birds through the trees. I don't know.
I think I see a tail. You see that?
What do you see?
You see that? It's like 2 feet. And it's like one of the trees is like,
No, I don't see it.
I saw that.
I'm gonna come down to where you are.
It's swinging. It's swinging.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's over there.
Good eye, Ryder. Well, Ryder saw a monkey. I don't see it yet, but Ryder crushed the game. Good job, buddy. That's the bird.
That's the bird.
Yep. Well, let's come up and let's see if we can see it. It's beautiful.
I saw like some ropes like swinging.
Good job, man.
I saw some ropes like swinging.
Yeah, I bet you saw a monkey. Ellie saw a monkey. Now you did too.
Just rained on me. We gotta go.
Here we go. Lead the way, Ryder. Sure.
Another frog.
Another frog? Oh, good job, Ryder. Bunch of frogs back here. That's awesome.
I thought there was like I saw
There's another
one.
frog, yeah.
Another one.
There's tons of frogs back here.
Another one.
Good job, buddy. Look, there's one of the red ones. Oh, it just hopped under the thing. There it is.
Oh,
He's
I saw
far,
that.
see?
Yeah.
It's one of the red top frogs. Cool. Nice. What a great adventure. So what do you think? We haven't stayed at the hotel, but would you stay here based upon this?
Yes.
I would too. So come on, stay.